Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here, we explore must-have accessories to help you choose a perfect device. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams in 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam is a premium driving companion designed to enhance safety, visibility, and peace of mind on every journey. Featuring a stunning 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it captures sharp, detailed footage day and night. The expansive 12-inch IPS touchscreen mirror provides a wide viewing angle, reducing blind spots while offering an intuitive user experience. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, it records a broader view of the road for added protection. Advanced night vision, GPS tracking, loop recording, G-sensor emergency file locking, and optional 24-hour parking monitoring ensure reliable performance in various driving conditions. The USB-C power connection improves stability, while support for up to a 256 GB microSD card offers ample storage for recordings. Whether commuting daily or taking long road trips, the WOLFBOX G840S delivers dependable video evidence and enhanced driving confidence. Number 2. The WOLFBOX G850 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera is an advanced mirror dash cam designed to improve driving safety and provide crystal clear video recording. Featuring a large 12-inch touchscreen display and ultra-sharp 4K front recording with a high-definition rear camera, it captures every detail on the road for reliable evidence and enhanced visibility. Wide dynamic range WDR and HDR technology deliver bright, balanced footage in both daytime and low-light conditions. The supercapacitor design offers greater durability and reliable performance in extreme temperatures compared to traditional battery-powered dash cams. Additional features include loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, parking monitor support, and a Type-C interface for improved stability and faster connectivity. Its wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, while the live rear-view display provides a broader and clearer view than a standard mirror. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance travel, the WOLFBOX G850 combines premium recording quality, smart safety features, and user-friendly operation in one sleek device. Number 3. The AZDOME PG17 2CH mirror dashcam is a feature-packed driving companion designed to improve safety and capture every journey in exceptional detail. Equipped with a large IPS touchscreen mirror display, it records crisp footage from both the front and rear camera simultaneously, providing comprehensive road coverage. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your driving route and speed, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to view, download, and share recordings directly through the mobile app. Advanced night vision and wide dynamic range WDR technology ensure clear video quality in low light and challenging lighting conditions. Intelligent features such as loop recording, G-sensor emergency file locking, parking monitor, and reverse parking assistance offer reliable protection whether you're driving or parked. Its sleek mirror design blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior while reducing blind spots. Easy to install and simple to operate, the AZDOME PG17 2CH mirror dash cam delivers dependable performance, enhanced security, and peace of mind on every drive. Number 4. The AUTO-VOX V5 Pro 1080p 9.35-foot OEM rear view mirror camera is a premium driving companion designed to enhance safety, visibility, and convenience. Featuring a sleek OEM-style replacement mirror with a 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen, it delivers a crystal-clear streaming rear view while maintaining the original look of your vehicle. The dual camera system records in full HD 1080p, capturing both front and rear footage for complete driving protection. Equipped with a Sony IMX307 sensor, the V5 Pro provides exceptional night vision and clear image quality in low-light conditions. Built-in GPS records your driving route and speed, while loop recording and G-sensor emergency lock ensure important footage is securely saved. The adjustable parking guidelines make reversing easier and more accurate, and the 24-hour parking monitor helps protect your vehicle even when parked. With its easy installation and reliable performance, the AUTO-VOX V5 Pro is an excellent upgrade for modern drivers seeking enhanced road awareness and security. Number 5. The P12 Pro Mirror Dashcam is a smart driving companion designed to improve safety, convenience, and peace of mind on every journey. Featuring a high-definition front camera and a responsive touchscreen mirror display, it records clear video footage day and night. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road, while loop recording ensures continuous recording without running out of storage. Built-in G-sensor technology automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts, protecting critical evidence when needed. The Dashcam also supports parking monitoring, helping safeguard your vehicle even when it is parked. Its sleek mirror design replaces your standard rear-view mirror, providing a clean, factory-like appearance without blocking your view. Easy installation and user-friendly controls make it suitable for both new and experienced drivers. Whether commuting, traveling, or driving long distances, the P12 Pro Mirror Dashcam delivers reliable recording, enhanced visibility, and dependable protection for every trip.